So hello and what's up guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not opening error. So if in your mobile your Snapchat is coming error, it doesn't work, your app doesn't open, then you have to do. So guys, what I'm going to say this, so that you have to do, check your network connection. So at first you have to check your network connection, and your network connection should be fine, not so poor. So after going network connection, you have to check your data connection. Make sure that your data connection is on, not off. Okay guys, so after doing this, you have to go your Snapchat account, Snapchat updates. So guys, if you have not update or you have update, let's go and you have to check out. So guys, you have to go in your Play Store account, and after going in Play Store you have to go in your profile, and after going in profile you have to click your manage app and device. And after guys doing this, you can see this my device is totally updated. So guys, if you have not updated till now, then make sure that you have to update your Snapchat app. So guys, after doing this, what you have to do, you have to come back and you have to go for number three steps. You have to go for delete the Snapchat app. You have to delete your Snapchat app if it doesn't work. So guys, and you have to, after deleting Snapchat apps, you have to go for switch off your mobile and switch on once. So after doing this guys, if it really doesn't work, then what you have to do, you have to reinstall the Snapchat app and then log in into your account, and your problem will be solved. So guys, as I have say you now, that you have to reinstall that Snapchat app and then log in into your account, and your problem will be solved. So guys, this how you have to do in your uh, error problems in your Snapchat accounts. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like for this video. And guys, thanks for watching.